role played these games before. So welcome back to a new video of Roblox. And we're gonna be playing the shooting game for now. But we already started. But we didn't know what to do. We didn't know what to do, so yeah, we went to this. And yeah, I see it's fun.
Then the two videos in the same time.
Subscribe.
Well, why did you kill me?
Oh.
Come back here, multiplayer, my brother.
So, yeah, I'm pretty good at this game.
I killed you.
My little brother is, yeah, also there. We play the game like,
I see you. And I killed you. You didn't even shot me.
It's such a great game. A few months ago.
And this is very few months ago.
Very.
My favorite one is the guy at the beach, right?
You have no. Not always this map, it's always like...
We almost just started to hear our sound in this video.
So, yeah.
Double kill.
It's a new map. Let's try
Heal.
Lost.
Heal.
But everybody's... Hill didn't go well for the hills. So yeah, this map, I mean, it's not that bad, right?
I don't know if my tablet you can hear my sound.
It's, I don't know how it's
Die.
not that good, right?
Oh my god.
Okay, I died. Nice. Oh, it's the big boy gun. Double kill. Oh, we killed each other.
I didn't kill you.
Oh. Slime. So yeah, this is a very, like, you need to really much skill for this game, because it's hard. It's hard in this game, so yeah. But I really like the feeling of this game. It's very good. Like, oh, did you got?
Oh my god, why do I can't move? Unless I can't move.
Oh, the double kill. Yep, I killed you.
Okay.
I'm just gonna bounce. Oh, what a kill, This gun is so crazy. I know you can see.
I killed some. I don't know if I killed someone, but there's someone far away from me, and I killed him.
Oh.
I don't know if I killed him.
For now, I have 8 kills, but I didn't die.
Hello.
Hello.
2 kills.
Oh, well.
And they died.
Yeah, we're gonna be rating these maps. I didn't tell you about that.
I don't even know.
So, how much are you gonna rate this map out of 10?
I don't know.
I'm gonna give it a solid 6.5. It's a little bit like goofy, but I don't know.
I don't know what even goofy means.
I know you can't see me because that's on this laptop, so you can see me. How I feel, people that you can see on this. Still, it's annoying.
Well,
I also have
the double video. I'm hiding. Now I'm going out.
4 kills.
Wait. I have to hide in my hiding spot until I heal up.
Oh, I died. That's your hiding. So yeah, this is a 6.5 for the map.
I'm getting everything soon as you.
And it's a little bit like, I don't know. A bit like,
Yeah, I just never kill anyone.
but
Right?
I kill everyone, but you can't see it because it's on his, not on mine. Yeah, that's why.
I found you. And I killed you.
Oh, killed me. Hello, Lisa.
Oh, goodness gracious, I am dead.
Oh, sorry. Okay. How are you gonna into this map?
Like, have have 0.5.
Okay. Okay, he is just hiding in a spot because I need it. Let's go to the park. Park. This park is a very nice map, though. But let's see, how is it gonna go? So how is it gonna go? This map is pretty like the original, like the first
I'm
map.
giving it a 10 out of 10. And this map is for me kind of familiar.
It's the first map that I played. So yeah, this is and it was very nice.
And this is
We're gonna
Wait, you are
show
not-
the video we're gonna make so you can even look at mine.
Okay, but why am I looking at yours and you're not recording? I died and someone sniped into me.
Oh yes! Unbelievable.
But it's not fair because
Just
two
joking,
was
just
killing me.
Just joking. Oh, can I get a double kill?
Oh, I killed him.
Oh, double kill. Oh.
How good is he? Why do I can't move? Okay, I can move again.
Also, if you want for part 2, let's like get 500 likes for part 2.
And how much subscribers?
Yeah, we don't need subscribers, but yeah, it's pretty much. It'll help us a lot if you subscribe and watch our videos. Hey, if you can't subscribe, it's still okay. You're still a legend, kid. So yeah. Oh yes.
Kill me because I need to go AFK.
So you'll appreciate a lot if you subscribe. We're just a small channel making some videos. So if you
Great.
you'll appreciate it a lot.
Goodness, where did you come from? I appreciate if you die. How is it so good? One bacon.
Yeah, some bacons are really good.
I don't really hate bacons. I did something insane.
Oh, bacon.
Bro, something.
And I unlocked. So this is cool.
Emote.
Yep.
That's so cool. What? That's unfair. I can't emote.
You just need to go to this end and click shop and go for that 500. This and you can get the E. But you don't have it.
Okay,
You
but
don't
I
have
will.
enough.
Okay, I'll go. I will not even buy the emotes. But you're so good at this game that I see you have over 1,000 money. I only have 400.
Yeah, but it's not that hard.
25.
It's very nice.
Yeah, it's not like this.
If you rage in the game, just join another one if you don't like.
Well, this game is apparently in one of the top
God.
2.
Can I kiss?
Wait, did I just shot someone and
Yes.
quickly hide? Bacon.
I don't know how much bacon there is in this game.
Bacon pork chop.
Oh,
Bacon gives you pork chop.
so yeah. And also, if you want,
Or these from far away look like shadow
just comment
figures.
if you want me to, so I go to some soccer champs or some Minecraft video. Just comment what game you want, and we will play it in the next video.
I don't know if we know so many games.
Yeah, we know.
Woo!
Oh, this is
A bacon summoned right next to me and I killed him.
Oh. Oh no. Yes, I killed you.
Good job. And I fell off the void when you killed me.
Oh. Can I just kill someone? Yes?
I killed someone.
Oh, somebody. Yes, I killed someone.
I see you.
See you too, boy. Oh my. Oh yes. Let me aim it.
Woo!
Oh. Good.
Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh yes. Oh, I'm just gonna go play AFK for a second. Myself. I'm gonna help out a bit, a little bro for this, so he can kill me. Like what? Oh, I could. So yeah, you can just a game, or you just don't YouTube, so you watch some videos or anything you want. You will do. For now, it's this game. Later on, we maybe go on part 1, part 2, part 3. We maybe part 4, maybe part 5. Just tell us. We're gonna do. Jump him a bit. Oh, yeah. I'm back there. I was just saying a quick second. Because I was very scary. Yeah, you got a Samsung tablet, always, and still computer. You just laid me at the wall. Oh. Yes, I killed someone. I did a move kill. Oh, who's shooting so fast? Yes, no. You almost killed me. You want to kill me? Yeah! Bro! You idiot. Why are you emoting on me?
No, just joking.
I mean, you can emote, but don't... Oh, I'm inside this house. Nope, no, I'm not, but someone is. Goodness gracious! Oh, it's impossible inside the house. I'm never going.
Yes, I got the shotgun.
And this a shotgun? I have a pistol.
Oh,
Goodness gracious, someone just destroyed me. Someone fell off the map.
Last time I made a video was like a day ago, 2 days. Yeah, I know we're gonna make videos, but now we're back to making it.
That's because I kind of gave it up.
Yeah, I didn't give up, but I couldn't make videos. You were stronger.
Because sometimes my game starts, then I need to close and open, and then the video already finishes.
That's it for the video. So make sure to like and subscribe, comment what game, and we will do it. Peace out. Bye.